Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to run executable files with parameters, right from your smartphone, with just one tap. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. Unauthorized users cannot create or modify widgets. So make sure you're logged in. Let's create a new widget and add a square button. Let's increase its size and duplicate it a few times. Each button will launch an app with different parameters. To do this, select Action, then Tap, and Run App. I talked about this tool in detail in the video on launching apps, files, and websites using a smartphone. Be sure to watch it. Here's a quick recap. We need to specify the path to the exe file, or shortcut that launches the app. I've prepared these paths in advance. Today we'll use Google Chrome as an example. First, let's copy the standard path to the browser without any parameters. It will appear in the clipboard on your smartphone. Tap on it. Let's move on to the next button. Note that when using parameters, the path to the application must be enclosed in double quotes, since this command will be sent to Windows Terminal. To launch the application without parameters, you can use either the version with or without quotes. Copy the path with the first parameter, which launches Google Chrome in incognito mode. Let's move on to the next button. For this one, I've set a parameter that opens Google Chrome in guest mode. For the fourth button, we'll set a parameter that automatically opens the Spotify website. To do this, you need to specify its address as the parameter. For the last button, we'll open several tabs at once for work. In this case, the links need to be separated by a space. Done. Now let's customize the appearance of our widget. Go back. Select padding and slightly increase its value for all buttons to increase the spacing between them. Now let's add a corresponding icon from the standard library for each button. I also covered different ways to add icons in a separate lesson. After that, I will resize the icons so they look better on our buttons. All that's left is to change the widget's name and pin it so we can launch Google Chrome with these settings from any app. Save and test. First, let's perform a standard launch so we can better see the difference later. Close the browser. Now let's use the button that opens Spotify. The site immediately opened in a new tab. Next, let's launch our work-related sites. As you can see, this launch added 3 new tabs at once. Let's test the button that launches Google Chrome in incognito mode. Great. All that's left is to check guest mode, and it launches without any issues as well. This way, you can instantly launch apps with specific settings and create a control panel from which you can launch the same app in different ways for different situations. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of Keyboard Extension.